Navigating employment forms can be confusing, especially when faced with a W-9 instead of the usual W-4. This video will clarify the differences between these forms and their tax implications, helping you understand your rights and responsibilities. In today's video, we'll cover the differences between W-4 and W-9 forms, their respective tax implications, legal considerations, and offer some advice and recommendations. Let's dive in. The W-4 form, the Employee's Withholding Certificate, is used by employers to determine the amount of income tax to withhold from an employee's paycheck. This ensures that taxes are paid gradually throughout the year. On the other hand, the W-9 form, Request for Taxpayer Identification Number and Certification, is used by businesses to collect the tax identification number of independent contractors and freelancers. Businesses utilize this information to report payments to these individuals on Form 1099 NEC. These two forms highlight the difference between being classified as an employee versus an independent contractor. For the W-4 form, taxes are withheld from your paycheck by your employer, and you do not pay self-employment tax. Additionally, your employer pays their share of Social Security and Medicare taxes. For the W-9 form, however, no taxes are withheld, and you are responsible for paying estimated taxes quarterly. You are liable for self-employment tax, which is approximately 15.3% of net earnings, and you are responsible for paying both the employer and employee portions of Social Security and Medicare taxes. This distinction significantly affects your financial responsibilities. Let's have a quick quiz. What form is used to determine how much an employer should withhold from an employee's paycheck? Is it W-4, W-9, 1099 NEC, or 1040? You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is the W-4 form. This form is used to determine how much an employer should withhold from an employee's paycheck for tax purposes. It's important to know about the legal considerations involved with these forms. Misclassifying an employee as an independent contractor is illegal and can lead to significant penalties for the employer. It's vital to assess the factors that determine employment status, which include behavioral control, financial control, and the nature of the relationship between the parties. The IRS provides guidelines that help determine whether a worker is an employee or an independent contractor, and understanding these guidelines ensures compliance. Additionally, state laws may also apply, so it's essential to be informed about both federal and state regulations concerning employment classification. Here is some valuable advice. If you receive a W-9 and you believe that you should be classified as an employee, it is important to discuss this with your employer immediately to obtain clarity on your employment status. For individuals classified as independent contractors, consulting a tax professional is crucial to understand your tax obligations and planning for accurate quarterly tax payments. Setting aside funds for self-employment and income taxes can help avoid tax debt. Lastly, if you have concerns about misclassification or any legal issues related to your employment status, consulting with an employment lawyer or tax attorney can be beneficial. To summarize, remember that the W-4 is intended for employees while the W-9 is for independent contractors. Understanding these differences and the associated tax implications is crucial to avoid unexpected financial surprises. In case of uncertainty, it is always wise to seek the advice of professionals to ensure your interests are protected. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Until next time.